children, welcome back KGE. Today we are going to do revision of our alphabets with their sounds. Okay, but before that, there is someone who's come to say hello to you. So let's call our new friend, Mr. Piglet.
Hello friends, how are you KGE? I hope you all are doing well.
Alright, Mr. Piglet, thank you. Today we will revise our alphabets with their phonic sounds, and Mr. Piglet is going to sit and listen to us. Okay, Mr. Piglet, please sit down. Alright, Mr. Piglet is sitting down and he is waiting for us to start our revision. Now children, look at this chart. This is our chart A to Z of print letters. Alright, now our ma'am has made A to Z chart for you to play the game with it, ma'am and mama. Now look at these cards. Can you see what is this? Yes, this is also A and this is also B. But these cards are made in cursive. Now the game is you're going to match the cursive with the print letter. So let me start, okay? This is A, and we're going to look for A. Where is A? Can you point and say, ma'am? Yes, this is A in print, and this is A in cursive. So we are going to put it here. Now we're going to look for which letter, children? B. So let's look for B. B. Where are you? Can you find B? Yes, this is the second letter, B. And we are going to put the cursive B on print B. Like this, children, you're going to complete the ABC chart. So let me do it quickly. K, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Like this, children, we will complete our alphabet chart. Okay? And when you finish, you're going to sing the alphabet song. So let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay? Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And you get a star. So children, Mama will make this alphabet chart for you and these cards. Alright? So you play with Mama and do not forget to send me your video.